special report on the information age, how science and technology are shaping our lives, the ethical challenges they bring, and how a human rights-based approach can guide our nation towards an inclusive development.
Technology has changed the way Filipinos live and learn. Even in far-flung areas, students are finding ways to study online despite of challenges.
Minsan, mahina talaga yung signal dito sa amin. Kaya nahihirapan ako tuwing may online class na gaganapin. Pero malaking tulong pa rin ito kasi dati, bumabiyahe ako ng 1 oras para lang makapunta sa library at makapag-research. Ngayon, kahit mahirap, alam ko sa sarili ko na kaya ko nang magkipagkompetensya sa mga estudyante sa syudad.
Students like her, the technology is no longer optional. It's the bridge to the equal education.
But with progress comes new risks. Online scams are now a growing concern, and many Filipinos are left unprotected.
Na-scam ako dati sa online selling. Akala ko kasi legit kasi may page, may reviews pa. Nagpadala ko ng 5,000 pero wala na. Hindi na dumating yung in-order ko. Para sa iba, maliit lang yun. Pero sa akin, pang budget ko na sana, yun ang 1 linggo. Kaya sana mas higpitan pa ang cybersecurity at bigyan ng mas maraming kaalaman ang mga tao kung paano umiwas sa ganito.
Stories like this remind us how vulnerable ordinary Filipino can be in this digital age. Kaya't kung walang sapat na proteksyon, mas marami pang maaapektuhan.
Experts believe that the answer lies in the human rights-based approach, ensuring technology is accessible to everyone, regardless of the status or location.
We must treat digital access as a human right. Kung ang isang estudyante sa Maynila ay may mabilis na internet at bagong laptop, pero yung nasa probinsya ay hirap makakuha ng signal, then we are creating an inequality. Science and technology should reduce gaps, not widen them. Every Filipino, rich or poor, urban or rural, can access the same opportunities. Then technology truly becomes a tool for nation building.
Indeed, inclusivity in the technology is the foundation of real progress. Isang hakbang tungo sa mas makatarungan at pantay na lipunan.
As we step deeper into the information age, one truth becomes clear. Technology is powerful, but it's only as good as the hands that guides it. Kaya kung gagamitin man ito ng tama, with ethics, transparency, and accountability, then progress can truly uplift the Filipino people.
The challenge now is to make sure no one is left behind. Every student who dreams, every farmer who fails, every worker who struggles, they all deserve access to the same opportunities. Technology should not divide us, but unite us.
And with a human rights-based approach, science and innovation can strengthen democracy, protect dignity, and help build a nation that is just, inclusive, and prepared for the future. Dahil sa huli, ang tunay na pag-unlad ay para sa lahat. For the future of our nation, let us shape technology with responsibility and heart. Para sa bayan, ito ang Info Age Report 2025. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas!